Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so probably we all know the situation where we are trying to open the app and it just doesn't want to cooperate with us. So I'd like to share with you some tips thanks to which you could fix that. So the first one is to open the app info. So let's pretend I've got problems with Google Chrome. So tap on it and hold it, and then tap on more features and go to app info. So right here, the first thing I highly recommend to do is to go to storage usage, and here we've got the cache section. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, and sometimes they also might interfere. So just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove them. Moreover, I highly recommend to also tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is working in the background, it was not fully it was not fully turned off. Trying to turn it on again might, interfere. It could just have some problems. So just tap on force stop, and now you can try to open the app. And usually those two steps will work. They will fix the issue. If not, it means that the issue is a little bit deeper. So I highly recommend to check for the updates. Make sure that you've got the internet connection and preferably Wi-Fi, and then go to the Play Store. You'll need to be logged in, so you can do it after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the phone settings. It's up to you. You can also check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device, so you can follow that. And if you're in the Play Store, just tap on search, tap on this bar here, and enter the name of the app. It will be a little bit faster rather than looking for it in the list of updates. Here we've got our results, our Google Chrome, and as you can see, if the update is pending, your device will show you this information. So highly recommend to simply tap on update, and your device will download the newest version and overwrite it over the older one. And to be honest, this is the most reliable way of fixing the crashing issue. However, sometimes updating the app also could cause different problems with the misbehave, etc. It is because of this overwriting thing. So in that case, I recommend entering the Google Chrome here, or you can do it using the phone settings, and basically uninstall it. So here we've got the option uninstall, so just tap on uninstall, let it uninstall fully, and then install it again. It will work because you will not overwrite the newer version over the older one, but you will directly download and install the newest version without any kind of, overwriting thing, and it should help. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the system updates, because sometimes if we've got new apps, the newer version of apps, they might have some problems running on the older system. So just go to the settings, scroll all the way down and find system and update, and tap on software update at the top. And now your device will check for the updates, and if you've got any kind of update, I really highly recommend to simply download it and install, not only because it will fix the issue with the app, but also for the security. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.